Mastering the preposition of manner by. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the grammar fundamentals with a focus on prepositions of manner, specifically the preposition by. By is a versatile word in English, and today we will explore its role when we use it to describe how something happens. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's jump right into it. First things first, let's define what we mean when we talk about by as a preposition of manner. The preposition by is used to express the way or method something is done. It shows the means or manner through which an action is achieved. Here are some basic examples. I sent the letter by mail. We traveled by car. In both of these sentences, by is used to explain how an action was done, how the letter was sent, and how the travel was conducted. Now that we have a basic understanding of how by works as a preposition of manner, let's take a look at some more examples. She learned English by practicing every day. The cake was made by mixing flour, sugar, and eggs. Remember, by is showing us how these actions, learning English, making the cake, were accomplished. In addition to explaining the method or manner, by can also be used in some special ways. For instance, it can denote the person who did an action in passive sentences. Here are some examples. The book was written by J.K. Rowling. The painting was created by Van Gogh. In these sentences, by is used to show who did the action. And there we have it. Today we've explored the preposition of manner by. Remember, by helps to explain the method or means by which an action is achieved. And don't forget its special use in passive sentences, too. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to use by in your English sentences. Keep practicing and remember, grammar is the key to understanding and mastering any language. Until next time, happy learning!